Good morning, children. Today we are going to read the poem The Key. This is a poem about a boy who has a key in his pocket. Let's see what is in this poem. I have a key in my pocket. I found it just yesterday. This key must be for an adventure. What does it go to? Who can say? A boy got a key in his pocket and he thought that what does it go to means which type of key is this? Okay? It opens what? Who can say? Could be it opens a treasure chest. हो सकता है इससे खजाने की चाबी हो और खजाना खुल जाए. Stuffed full of diamonds and gold. जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ डायमंड्स एंड गोल्ड भरे हुए हों. और मे बी इट ओपन्स अ जर्नल. जर्नल मीन्स पेपर्स, important papers, magazines, files, etc. और ये भी हो सकता है कि इससे कोई ज़रूरी पेपर आ जाए सामने. विथ इट्स सीक्रेट्स लॉक्ड अप फॉर ईयर्स, जिसमें कि कुछ सीक्रेट्स लिखे हुए हों. एंड इफ़ आई फाइंड इट एंड रेड इट आई विल बी फेमस एंड पीपल विल चीयर. और अगर मैं इसे पढ़ लूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा? मैं फेमस हो जाऊंगा और लोग भी खुश हो जाएंगे. आई गेस इट कुड फिट इन अ स्पोर्ट्स कार. देन what imagination he is doing? He is thinking that it could fit in a sports car. ये कार की भी चाबी हो सकती है, हो सकता है स्पोर्ट्स कार में फिट आ जाए. I would be too young to drive it right now. लेकिन मैं तो अभी बहुत छोटा हूँ उसे ड्राइव करने के लिए. But I would hide it away till I am older. लेकिन मैं इसे छिपा दूंगा जब तक कि मैं थोड़ा बड़ा नहीं हो जाता हूँ, चलाने के लायक नहीं हो जाता हूँ. When I would drive it, my friend will say wow. और जब मैं बड़े होकर इसे चलाऊंगा तो मेरे दोस्त कहेंगे वाओ. My adventure can go on forever if I just hang on to this key. मेरा एडवेंचर और आगे जाता रहता अगर मैं इसे टांग नहीं देता. I don't have to know what it opens. It's more just thinking about it. More fun just thinking about it. सोचने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. मुझे नहीं पता कि इससे क्या खुलेगा. तो कुछ भी हम लोगों को सोचने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि सोच तो हम लोग कुछ भी सकते हैं. सच भले ही कुछ भी हो, लेकिन सोचने पर किसी की पाबंदी नहीं है. अगर हम लोग अपने मन से चाहें तो कहीं भी घूम कर आ सकते हैं. मन में सोच सकते हैं कि चलो समुद्र के किनारे घूमा जाए, और हम लोग वहाँ चले गए और आ गए. जस्ट लाइक दैट द बॉय इज थिंकिंग अबाउट सम एडवेंचर. ओके, लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज नाउ. On the basis of your reading of the poem, complete the following sentences and draw a rough sketch in the space provided. My drawing is not so good, but I have tried here. A key was in the pocket. Look at this. This is a pocket. You can make a picture of a pocket in the box. The treasure chest was full of diamonds and gold. You have to make diamonds and golds. Secrets were written in a journal. You have to make a picture of a file or journal. He would drive a car when he becomes older. You will make here a car. Now, let's do the other exercise. Given below is the flow chart of sequences of events as explained in the poem. जैसा कि पोएम में बताया गया, यहाँ पर एक फ्लो चार्ट कंप्लीट करना है. Let's complete it. The boy had a key in the pocket. Then he found it just yesterday. It could open a treasure chest. It may open a journal. The people would cheer if he finds the secret and will be famous. It might fit in a sports car, but he is too young to drive. My friends will say wow, but it is more fun just thinking about it. Now B6. Let's see what is in B6. The child does not want to know what the key will actually open. वो नहीं जानता है कि क्या खुलेगा उस चाबी से. He just wants to think about it. Discuss with your partner why he only wants to think. वो सिर्फ उसके बारे में सोचना चाहता है. अब अपने पार्टनर से डिस्कस करके ये लिखना है कि क्यों वो सिर्फ उसके बारे में सोचना चाहता है. लेट्स सी द आंसर. The child only wants to think about the key because he can imagine anything he wants to do with the key. Okay. Now B7. What is in B7? What can we say about the child in the poem? Work in pairs and tick all the correct responses. Here more than one response is correct. So you have to tick all of them. Let's do it. Answer of B7 is except 2. All are correct. 1, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. 2 is wrong. And now B8. Would you call yourself adventurous? Why or why not? If given a chance, what kind of adventure would you want to embark on? Give reasons. Let's see the answer. Yes, I would call myself adventurous because I love adventure. If given a chance, I would like to go for trekking as I love traveling. We can learn many things from travel. Okay? You can write these answers in your copy. Let's see C1 also. C1 is actually the question of the next lesson. Michael goes climbing. But many of you have requested to give the answer of C1. That's why I am giving. Is there any naughty boy or girl in your class? Who is he or she? How does he or she behave in the class? And what do others think of him or her? Discuss with your partner. Let's see the answer. Yes, there is a naughty girl in my class. Her name is Kavita. I have written an imaginary name. You can write any other name also. She always teases everyone. Sometimes she beats someone, but when a teacher asks about it, she tells a lie. Everyone wants her to be punished. यहाँ पे क्या बोला जा रहा है कि सभी लोग क्या चाहते हैं कि उसे पनिशमेंट मिले. Okay? And in this line, she always teases. You have to write Teases in the third line. She always teases everyone. Do it correct. Okay, children. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your friends, comment on it, and see my video always. Thank you.